Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got another gaming keyboard unboxing. This is the Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum. So this keyboard was $150 on Best Buy, but I got it for $50 off, so it was $100. Pretty good deal. The keys on this is the Roamer G Tactical. So recently I've done an unboxing on an Asus gaming keyboard with Cherry MX Red keys. This one has its own, Logitech has its own type of keys, so we're going to compare the both somewhat, I guess. And yeah, so this is the box itself. It's quite a nice keyboard. Also, the box is quite thin, so I'm assuming there's not going to be very many things other than the keyboard inside here. Oh, there might be. But yeah, so this is the front. This is the side. There's nothing really nice or important to see. Oh, this side says G910 Orion. The top just says Logitech. The bottom shows another one of their key name. And in the back, it explains a little bit more about the keyboard. So 16.8 million colors. That's RGB. Has 5G keys. ARX. Control integration, in-game display information. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, so maybe that's like the kind of software that's meant for your smartphone, which you can actually dock onto this thing, which actually extends, I believe. But yeah, it could be something like that. We're gonna get this opened up right now. So there's tape on both sides. I'm gonna cut it off on here. All right, and we drag it out just like that. So the box is empty. I can't show it on camera, it's a little too tall, but here's the box. I assume it's supposed to be on this side. And there it is, the keyboard itself. Pull that out. It does come with some instruction manuals. Alright. Yeah, actually let me show you guys inside a little bit. Sorry for the shadows, by the way. Hopefully they're not too distracting. Yeah, in the back, I don't think there's going to be anything too important listed in these manuals, so let's put those away for now. And let's get to the keyboard. Alright, so they have the key, USB, my bad, USB like cable inside a cylindrical or a long rectangular box. So, okay, and this is not braided, it's just I guess plastic, you would say. I'm not exactly sure of the material, but yeah, it's quite long. And yeah, I'm not sure if it's detachable. Yeah, it looks like it's not going to be detachable. Alright. Let's get the plastic off first. So there we go, we've taken off the plastic. This thing has only one height adjustment, so that doesn't seem like it's going to be much of a problem. They got some big cutouts though. I thought there might be another adjustment, which might be bigger. But that seems to be about it. So here's the keyboard itself. I'm going to show you guys this powered on in a little bit. But first we're just going to view the keys. And also this part. Yeah, okay, so it just comes out like that, it seems. And you just put your phone there, and somehow it's supposed to connect to your phone and display some information. But here it is in itself. keys are quite nice. It has like these distinct ones for WASD and for the arrow keys. Same thing goes for the G keys. It actually has more G keys right here, up to G9. Yeah, it also has this volume control knob. It's quite nice. The Asus keyboard I unboxed recently also has the same thing. It also has a lot of other media keys on the top, and I believe these are going to be some RGB controls. There's also some M1, M2, M3, and MR buttons. Those are probably some RGB controls as well. We will find out. Just for comparison, I'm going to bring in the Asus keyboard. So this keyboard has Cherry MX Red keys. I guess I can give you guys a little test of the sound. Oh god. And yeah, there's a little difference there. It also does have an armrest, which is quite nice. It's a G910, and it's like in like a see-through background, so it's quite nice as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna go and get this powered up, connected to a computer, and hopefully the software is gonna work with this one, and we're gonna see how it works. See you guys till then. Hello everyone, we are back. So I have connected the software to the device. So this shows each thread and how much of a load there is on each one of them. It also shows you the GPU and the RAM, temperatures, and how much megahertz is being used, I assume. And yeah, so there's other things you can also display on this thing. I believe you just swipe up with this. And yeah, so there's a bunch of different things. So you can go on mouse, I guess. And that will show you the mouse that's over here. The G502 Hero, I believe. And yeah, so there's a lot of different settings you can put this on. This is the default that shows up. But yeah, alright, so that's the app itself. The application for the keyboard lighting is this right here. We can, I haven't gone through too many of this, but so we can change it to something like that. And if you look down, it's kind of hard to view, but it looks quite similar to that. Yeah, it also has other different effects, such as vertical, or vertical. So it's purple and green. Yeah, so there's different kind of effects such as that. This is the software. I haven't gone through too much of it, but there's also a button on the keyboard which allows you to turn off the lights and turn it back on. And the volume control works perfectly fine, as you can see. And yeah, that's gonna be about it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the description below. And there'll be a link in the description below, actually, if you want to check out the product for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.